This is the sweet box I'm going to reuse, and this is the pattern paper which I'm going to stick on all the four sides of the sweet box. I'm going to leave this side as such. This is a plastic Ganesh Ji mold which I got from an old Thoran. So I'm going to color this with black acrylic color and then dust it with gold dust. This is how it looked like now. A beautiful golden idol. This is Fevicryl molded, resin base and hardener. We have to mix these two in equal quantities, and then I need a leaf template for doing this. Now this is ready. Now I'm going to use some embellishments to make it more beautiful. So here's a ball chain which I'm going to paste it around the border of the leaf. And I'm also using a stone lace for decoration purpose. Now this beautiful piece of wall decor is ready from a sweet box. You can use a double-sided tape and decorate your wall. If you want, you can use a transparent sheet, stick it over this so that it doesn't get dirty inside. So that's my beautiful reuse project sitting over the switchboard. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.